Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Nissan 2.5 Qr25De engine is a well-known four-cylinder gasoline engine produced by Nissan since 2000. It's an inline-four dual overhead camshaft DOHC, designed with 4 valves per cylinder and variable valve timing CVEC. Made with an aluminum block and head, it aims for a balance of performance and fuel efficiency in a variety of Nissan and Infiniti vehicles. History and versions. The Qr25De is part of Nissan's QR engine family. Over its production run, it has seen several revisions and applications. Early versions, 2000 to 2007, these were found in vehicles like the Nissan Altima, Sentra SCR, X-Trail, T30, Primera, P12, Serena, C24, and Tina, J31. Power output varied. For example, 175 horsepower in the Altima and Sentra SCR. These versions featured cast steel connecting rods, a steel timing chain, counter-rotating balance shafts, and an aluminum intake manifold. Revised Qr25De 2007 plus this updated version, found in later Sentra, Altima, and Rogue models, included improvements such as a simpler, larger diameter single-path resin intake manifold, replacing the old dual-path design. Revised piston crown shape for a higher compression ratio, up to 9.6 to 1 or 10.5 to 1 in some trims. Relocated balancer system for better balance. Revised camshaft profile. Reduced friction through coatings on pistons and journal bearings. Additional engine mount for improved stability. Higher redline and improved power output. Qr25De, a direct injection version with a higher compression ratio, 10.5 to 1, and DLC coating on valve lifter buckets for reduced friction. Qr25DR, a supercharged version combined with an electric motor as part of a hybrid system, e.g., in a Nissan Pathfinder Hybrid and Infiniti QX60 Hybrid, capable of producing up to 250 horsepower. Review and opinions. The Qr25De generally has a reputation for being a reliable and durable engine, especially when properly maintained. Many owners report high mileage with the original engine, with some instances of the engine lasting well over 150,000 miles and even reaching million-mile status with good care. It's often praised for its simplicity compared to more complex modern engines. However, like any engine, it's not without its specific quirks and potential issues. Advantages: reliability and longevity. The Qr25De is widely considered a robust and long-lasting engine, particularly the later revisions. Proper maintenance is key to achieving high mileage. Simplicity. Compared to newer, more technologically complex engines, like Nissan's own VC Turbo, the Qr25De's design is relatively straightforward, which can lead to easier and less expensive repairs. Good balance of power and efficiency. It provides adequate power for everyday driving in the vehicles it powers, along with respectable fuel economy for a naturally aspirated 2.5 four-cylinder. Naturally aspirated. Absence of a turbocharger can mean fewer components to fail and potentially lower maintenance costs compared to turbocharged engines. Timing chain. Uses a timing chain instead of a belt, which is generally designed to last the life of the engine, reducing a major maintenance expense. Disadvantages and common faults. While generally reliable, the Qr25De has experienced some known issues, particularly in earlier versions. Excessive oil consumption. Early versions, this was a more prevalent issue in earlier Qr25De engines, often attributed to piston ring design. Nissan later revised the piston rings to mitigate this. Owners should still monitor oil levels regularly. Catalytic converter failure can be related to excessive oil consumption, as burning oil can damage the catalytic converter. Symptoms include a rotten egg smell, reduced power, and a check engine light. Crankshaft position sensor/camshaft position sensor issues. Failures of these sensors can lead to no-start conditions, stalling, or erratic engine behavior. These are relatively inexpensive to replace. Timing chain wear/stretch. While designed to last, The timing chain can stretch over very high mileage or due to poor maintenance, infrequent oil changes. This can lead to rattling noises, reduced performance, and eventually severe engine damage if not addressed. Some sources recommend inspection around 100,000 kilometers. Mass airflow, MAF, sensor failure. A dirty or failing MAF sensor can cause rough idling, poor acceleration, and reduced fuel economy. Ignition coil failure can lead to misfires, rough running, and reduced power. EGR system issues. In some applications, the exhaust gas recirculation, EGR system, if equipped, can experience clogging or cooler leaks, leading to coolant loss or engine performance issues. Fuel consumption. Fuel consumption varies significantly depending on the specific vehicle model, transmission, manual versus CVT, FWD/AWD, and driving habits. For example, in the 2025 Nissan Altima, the FWD Qr25De is rated for an estimated 27 to 39 miles per gallon highway, while AWD models are around 26 to 36 miles per gallon. Older models, like the 2005 Nissan X-Trail, reported around 9.4 L/100 km combined. Timing. The Nissan Qr25De engine uses a timing chain system, not timing belt. It typically has two timing chains, a main timing chain connecting the crankshaft to the camshafts, and a shorter balancer shaft timing chain. Timing chains are generally designed for the life of the engine, but issues can arise at high mileages or with neglected maintenance. Some sources suggest checking the timing chain around 100,000 kilometers or approximately 60,000 miles, and considering replacement if noise or stretch is detected. Oil. Recommended oil type. Nissan typically recommends SAE 0W, 20 or 5W, 30 synthetic motor oil for the Qr25De, depending on the specific year and model of the vehicle. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommendation. Oil capacity varies slightly by vehicle, but generally around 4.5 to 5.1 quarts, approximately 4.2 to 4.8 liters, with an oil filter change. Oil change interval. Nissan's recommended oil change intervals for the Qr25De are typically 7,500 miles, 12,000 kilometers, or every 6 months. However, given some reported issues, especially with early oil consumption, and for optimal longevity, many mechanics and owners recommend shortening these intervals to 5,000 miles, 8,000 kilometers, particularly if the vehicle is driven under severe conditions, e.g., heavy city driving, extreme temperatures, towing. Using high-quality synthetic oil meeting API SN/SP and ILSAC GF 5/GF 6 specifications is highly recommended. The Qr25De remains a popular and generally well-regarded engine, especially for its durability. While it has known issues, most can be mitigated with diligent maintenance and awareness. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.